Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOOSTAR Gem 12 Pro Max Mini PC with Hawk Point APU and OCuLink port. So friend, AOOSTAR has introduced yet another member to impressive lineup of mini PC dubbed the Gem 12 Pro Max. From the outside, the design mostly reassemble the typical look and feel that can expect from mini PC and modern age. And however, the built-in display and fingerprint scanner do quite a good job of setting the product apart from the rest. And at the Gem 12 Pro Max is powered by a 75-watt Ryzen 7 8845HS processor with 8 core and 16 threads with performance that is the same league as Ryzen 7 7840HS, and the indicated Radeon 780M iGPU takes care of graphics side of things. And since the compact footprint of the system lack of luxury to discrete graphics, which is nothing out from of the system lack the luxury of discrete graphics, which is nothing of the ordinary of mini PC. And thankfully the system also rock quiet and beefy cooling solution, connectivity option including dual USB 3.2 generation 2 port, dual 2.5 GB Ethernet port, dual USB4 Type-C port, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, as well OCuLink connector for fast eGPU connections. And the system rocks dual M.2 2280 NVMe slot as well Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.